All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good morning. And so just wanted to say welcome back to the Family Reset, Daily Steps to Strengthen Unity. And today I want to remind you of 3 simple words that can transform your home. It's I love you. So we're on day 23 of the power of saying I love you. And we often assume our family knows we love them. But hearing those words out loud has a power effect. 1 John 4:19 says, we love because he first loved us. Love isn't just about what we do, it's about what we say. Telling someone I love you creates security, it strengthens relationship, and reminds us of what truly matters. So today, here's your challenge, your action. You say I love you to at least one family member. No special occasion needed, just a simple, heartfelt moment. And if saying it feels difficult, start with a note, a text, or even a small act of kindness. Love grows when we express it. Let's reset our homes by making sure the people we love know it. See you tomorrow for another step towards strength and unity. And don't forget to say, I love you. I love you. I don't think you can say it too much. I don't think you can try to say it too much. I think the more often you say it, the more people understand and know that you truly love them. All right, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.